Hello, everyone. We are live through our app today. For those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Nicole Cheney and I am a child nutritionist. I do also help women in their health goals and all that stuff. I do focus on trying to reduce your sugar in your household. So I do help moms doing that. Now this video is going to be awesome. It's going to be 5 easy steps to detox from sugar. This is just 5 simple things that you can start doing to start detoxing from sugar, especially if you had you're trying to reduce and then all of a sudden you slip up. This is a great way to get back into reducing your sugar. But yes, we are live on my app. I do have an app that has tons of nutritional advice on it, completely free to download. This is where we go live every Wednesday at 11 for nutritional tips. Every other weekend we have live cooking classes on here, and you can actually download it in the description below. It's available on both iTunes and the Google Play Store. Google Play Store. But let's dive right into today's video, okay? And all the fantastic information I have to share. Now I'm gonna give 5 different ways of detoxing with sugar, right? Let's get right into it. So the first one I would say to do is sip on lemon water, okay? When you are starting to reduce your sugar, or that you've had like a bad day, you want to go back to it, the important thing is to stay hydrated. You want to stay hydrated, and this is a great way to get hydrated. And also it's a great way to stay hydrated, right? And I want to explain that before I kind of go into my other point. Hydration is like the key to any kind of detox, okay? The more you drink, the more your body kind of works through it and releases all those toxins in your body, okay? So that is also when you have if you drank too much the night before, the best remedy for that is water, because your body's clearing out the toxins that you drank the night before, okay? So that's just a great example of it. So you want to start your day off with like a 12-ounce glass of water with some freshly squeezed lemon juice, and drink this first thing, even before your coffee in the morning, before you eat anything. It's the first thing that you want to put into your mouth, into your body, okay? The lemon will help alkalinize your body and get your body's natural detoxing juices flowing. So the lemon is what helps get those the detoxation going. So that's what you want to do first, okay? And then the next step that you kind of want to do maybe for breakfast is have a detox smoothie. So what is a detox smoothie? A detox smoothie is like a blend up of berries, leafy greens. You can even do some collagen peptides or some hemp seeds. And what I would use is some unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk as your base, okay? And this doesn't contain sugar, right? And the berries, especially blueberries, are great for detox, right? So, and spinach and kale are amazing for detox as well. So when you mix the berries with the leafy greens and you have the unsweetened almond milk or coconut milk, it's kind of almost like a milkshake going on, right? So you want to do that kind of after the lemon juice. Just maybe try that for breakfast, and that will kind of help you get your day going. Now another thing that you can do if you don't want to have a detox smoothie, this is the next step that you can take, is do a detox salad, okay? So you can do both, or you can do one or the other, but a detox salad is again with big leafy greens, so your spinach or romaine lettuce, that sort of thing. And then you want to add some red onions. Onions are a great detoxer. Some cherry tomatoes, and some avocado, because then you have that good natural fat coming into your body as well. And then you can drizzle a very little bit of olive oil on top of it, or some apple cider vinegar on top of it, and it's good salad here, okay? And that's just kind of like an example of a detox salad that you could use to kind of get you back on the wagon. The next one you could do is cilantro. Now, this is a hate. Like, some people just hate cilantro, or some people just love it, okay? But cilantro is a huge detox superstar, okay? It helps, like, it's like a, let's just put it this way. It's a bomb for cleansing toxins at your body, okay? So like a handful of fresh cilantro on your meal will help really boost your detox of the sugar. So you can do that with your salad, or I don't know if people put it in their smoothies. I've never done that. No, but I have cooked it up with like chicken and stuff like that. And it's amazing. I love it with chickpeas. Okay, all right. Now that I'm plant-based, it's like cilantro and chickpeas. It's good. It's good, especially when you like roast or fry both of them up, and then you put it into a nice little wrap. So good. Okay. So those are just 3 little ways that you can use food as a detox of sugar. Okay. So that's just some of the ways, those 3 tips right there. Now, the next tip that I have for you is move your body. Okay. When you stay hydrated and you move your body, that is just a natural detox for your body to do. So it'll take all those bad toxins out of your body just by staying hydrating and moving your body. Now this, like, I'm not telling you to do like a 30-minute huge HIIT exercise. No, I'm telling you just to start getting that blood flowing, walk around the block with your dog, that sort of thing. And it can actually just help with the detoxation and just in health in general. People who don't normally walk and all of a sudden start walking their dog every day around the block, their lung capacity like increases, like they start, like they don't get shortness of breath anymore. They're able to walk a lot further. And it's just amazing just like what a walk could do for you, especially if you're not used to moving your body. So start getting your body moving and start doing those movements, and that will just help with the detox as well, okay? Because especially when you're burning through those sugar that you have in your body, or even those sugar storages that you may have stored a little bit in your body, it will just start getting that first layer of sugar storages off, the sugar out of your system, and you can just start getting back on the wagon from there, or start your detox of sugar and start reducing the sugar in your lifestyle. Okay, so those are 5 different ways that you can reduce, like start detoxing sugar out of your system. Now let's just go over some of these again. Now, if you like this video, of course, hit the like button, subscribe, okay? And if you want more information on the app that I have that I'm actually going live through right now, the link is in the description and you can just check it out. It's available on Google Play Store and in the Apple Store for any of you guys who have an Apple phone or an Android. And it's filled with recipes, okay? You think my channel is filled with recipes? This app is filled with recipes. There's over 200 sugar-free recipes on there. There's nutrition classes, the cooking classes, and then I also have like basically I use it as my blog, so it has a ton of stuff on like picky eaters for kids, how to raise sugar-free kids, and that kind of expands like into your family, because if you are raising sugar-free kids at home and then they go to their grandma's house and they give them like a chocolate bar or something like that, and then they're like, well, Mom, why don't you give me a chocolate bar? There's a whole conversation around that, right? So if you could include the extended family and everyone into the conversation of how you want your child's nutrition to be, it goes over so much better with your kids when you're open and honest with them and your family members, and a lot more people get on board too. So I have stuff like that on the app. So The link is in the description below. But let's do a quick recap before we say goodbye. So the first tip is sip on some lemon water. That will help start the detox process. And after you're done having that, because you gotta have that before you have your coffee, food, anything, it's the first thing that you have. Then you can maybe have a detox smoothie with some berries and big, deep leafy greens. Okay. Then you can have a detox salad, and that's with your leafy greens. Yeah, some onions, yes, great for detox, and some like cherry tomatoes, and then just a little bit of olive oil and some apple cider vinegar on there. Okay. The next tip is cilantro. You can try cilantro in your food. It is seriously the bomb for cleansing toxins in your body. Cilantro is amazing, but that is a hit and miss for some people. You either hate it or you love it with cilantro. And the next one is move your body. Just get out of the house. Go for a little bit of a walk, right? Get outside a little bit. Play with your kids. Go take your dog for a walk. That sort of thing. Just kind of start moving your body a little bit more. Okay? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like and subscribe button. And I will see you guys next week on Wednesday. Bye, guys.